Rain had been falling since morning. Tiny drops danced against the windows of a small cottage bakery at the edge of the village. Most people hurried indoors on days like this. But for 18-year-old Lily, rainy days were special. Because rain wasn't lonely to her. It sounded like music. And every time the clouds painted the sky gray, her little bakery became warmer than ever. Today, she had no customers, no plans, just the soft sound of rain. And a feeling that something wonderful was about to happen. Lily tied her apron and rolled up her sleeves. She opened an old recipe book that had once belonged to her grandmother. The pages smelled faintly of vanilla and memories. Rainy days are perfect for baking, her grandmother used to say. Smiling softly, Lily gathered flour, butter, and fresh yeast. Outside, the rain tapped gently on the roof. Inside, the kitchen glowed with warm, golden light. As she kneaded the dough with care, she hummed a little tune. There was no rush, no noise, only peace. The kind of peace that makes time slow down. And somehow, every fold of the dough felt like wrapping kindness into something people could taste. While the bread rested, Lily sat beside the window with a cup of hot tea. Steam rose gently into the air. She watched raindrops race down the glass. Birds hid beneath tree branches. A sleepy orange cat curled up near the oven. And somewhere in the distance, wind chimes sang softly. Lily closed her eyes and listened. Not to music, not to voices, just the rain. People often searched for happiness in big things, but Lily had learned something different. Sometimes happiness was simply a warm room, a quiet afternoon, and the sound of rain saying, "Everything is okay." Just as the bread began to fill the bakery with its sweet aroma, the bell above the door jingled. Standing outside was an elderly man, completely soaked from the rain. He looked tired and cold. "Oh dear,
Please come in from the
inside
rain."
quickly," Lily said with a smile.
Let me get you something warm.
The old man sat near the oven, warming his hands. Without saying a word, Lily brought him a fresh
Here is
loaf
your
of
fresh bread and hot tea,
and a
sir.
cup of tea.
Thank you, Lily.
His
It
eyes
looks absolutely
widened.
delicious.
"But I don't have enough money," he whispered. Lily simply smiled.
Pay me with
Then
a smile.
pay me with a smile. For a moment, the old man's eyes
I can't
became
thank you
watery.
enough for your kindness.
It had been a long time
You have
since
warmed an
someone
old
had shown
man's
him
heart.
kindness. After finishing his tea, the old man stood up and thanked Lily. Before leaving, he handed her a small
This belonged
envelope.
to your grandmother.
Thank you so much.
Open it after the rain stops, he said gently. Hours later, as the clouds slowly cleared and sunlight touched the village again, Lily opened the envelope. Inside was a handwritten note. It read, "Kindness is the secret ingredient that makes life beautiful. Thank you for reminding me of that today." Along with the note was an old photograph. It showed a young girl standing beside her grandmother. And next to them was the same old man. He had been one of her grandmother's closest friends. Lily smiled with tears in her eyes. Some connections, she realized, are never truly lost. The smell of fresh bread still lingered in the air. The orange cat slept peacefully. And Lily sat by the window, watching the sunset paint the sky. She smiled quietly because she knew something many people forget. Happiness doesn't always arrive with excitement. Sometimes it arrives softly. The smallest acts of kindness often leave the warmest memories.